What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Guys, this video was requested. Check this con out under my foot bottom. My daughter just picked it like that. When it's looked like that with the hole, it didn't have it. After I treat it in the morning, this is how it look in the morning after I do the treatment. And now this is how it looked this morning. So I just take a shower, so I lotion my foot bottom, so it's look like that. So this is the treatment, and guys, my voice is terrible. Okay, so I don't know, my voice just keep going up and down. Like something need to do about that. But this is what I use, is the wrap. I'm gonna need this plastic wrap to wrap it, and I'm going to need the vinegar, some white vinegar. So it's just 3 things that you need to do if you're going to do it. Is the vinegar, the wrap, and a cotton ball. Okay guys, so this gone under my foot bottom for over 3 years. And every time I go to the nail tech, they keep paring it and rubbing it and rubbing it. And it keeps coming back. It gives me a break and it keeps coming back. Now I am free from it. So you need 1 cotton ball. There it is. And I put it in a bowl and pour some vinegar on it. And then that's how I do. I put it right on that corn and I ceramic wrap it. But then I wasn't supposed to keep in it. This is how it looked this in the morning after it's soaked. So the vinegar went through it. Did you see that before? The vinegar went through it and it soaked away whatever was there that was hurting me. So now this is how my foot looks, and I am so free. But the thing is, I was supposed to keep it on my foot like for 30 minutes or an hour or something like that. But that's what my aunt told me. Keep it on your foot for an half an hour. And then you take it off, and then you do it tomorrow night, or do it when you're closer to when you're going to your bed. That was what she told me. I only did it once I did it, but I fell asleep with it like that on my foot. So that vinegar went through my foot and it removed the corn. So in the morning when I wake up, it soaked it away, and I never had to put it on my foot, not one more time. It removed the pain, and now I get my foot back. So I am so happy that I actually did that remedy at home, because I actually showed it to my doctor, and she said she was going to send me to a foot doctor. And because I'm a woman that love to do home remedies, I tried it because it don't hurt. Look at my foot now. You don't even see where the corn was. It totally gone. So after 1 month, I checked my foot to see where it was. It's not even there. So the morning when I wake up, that's it. No more pain. It's gone, guys. Guys, also please let me know in the comment section if you tried it and it worked for you. Let me know in the comment section, and I really appreciate if you do that, because I read all the comments. Okay guys, leave me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you understand what I just told you, because I did it before and a lot of people told me they didn't understand because I speak in patois in my culture. So I did this video, hopefully you understand. I'm gonna put it in the description also, what you use to get rid of the corn. I use to get rid of the corn. So leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload a video. Bye guys.
láti lówó, mo ní láti là. Mo ní belief pé màá jáwé ọ̀la. Mo ní láti lówó, mo ní láti là.